Did you know that positive psychology might be making you sick? Studies have shown that when you have negative feelings and you just try to push it away or to focus on happy thoughts, that it can cause chronic stress and even disease. In fact, Gabor Maté did a whole book on this called When the Body Says No, that basically says that when you have trauma or chronic stress, unless you deal with it, your feelings, then it can result to physical illnesses. There's even been research that connects trauma with cancers, gut diseases, and autoimmune disorders like arthritis or lupus. Look, it's okay to feel sad or to grieve or to be angry. You actually need to feel this stuff. It's just part of being a human, and it keeps you balanced and healthy. Undealt with chronic stress or trauma is like water dripping into a cold, dark space. If it's not dealt with, it's eventually gonna cause mold that's gonna cover everything. Also, I'm pretty sure that's like the whole message of Pixar's Inside Out. You need to feel your feelings, not just the positive ones, all of them.